Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Honda Odyssey EX-L. 2007 Honda Odyssey EX-L, luxury, space, and entertainment for the whole family. This four-door minivan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Here's a revised version within 1,000 characters. Introducing the Honda Odyssey EX-L/DVD. Powered by a 3.5L engine, this beauty is ready to get you wherever you need to go with plenty of fun along the way. Packed with factory features, it has leather seats as comfy as a lazy boy and a DVD player to keep the kids entertained. The Nimbus Gray Metallic exterior is sleek, while the gray leather interior makes every ride feel luxurious. With under 148k miles, averaging less than 9k miles per year, this Odyssey is lightly used. Plus, with 17 mpg city and 24 mpg highway, you'll save big at the pump. This van is in excellent condition, and the clean Carfax proves it's had a spotless history. Don't miss out, come take it for a spin today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.